Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the world around us, and it's also creating new opportunities to make money. In this video, we'll explore 5 ways you can start making money with AI in 2023. 1. Write blogs or copyright with AI writers. AI-powered writing tools can help you generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time. You can then sell your services to businesses or individuals who need help with their content marketing. 2. Create and sell AI-generated artwork. AI can be used to create stunning and unique artwork that you can sell online or in galleries. There are a number of AI art generators available, such as Artbreeder and Dream by Wombo. 3. Indie product development. AI can be used to develop a variety of products, such as apps, games, and software. If you're an entrepreneur, you can use AI to create innovative products that will sell. 4. Freelance as a digital marketer. AI can be used to automate a variety of marketing tasks, such as social media management and email marketing. This makes it a valuable skill for freelance digital marketers. 5. Sales ops optimization. AI can be used to optimize sales operations, such as lead generation and customer relationship management. This can help businesses increase their sales and improve their bottom line. These are just a few of the many ways you can make money with AI in 2023. As AI continues to develop, there will be even more opportunities to use it to create wealth. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money or even start a new career, consider learning about AI. For more information on how to make money with AI, check out the resources in the description below.